Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's fundamental to every successful WordPress site. It's so often overlooked. Mastering categories and tags. Get this right, and you will not only make your site a dream for visitors to navigate, but also give your SEO a serious boost. So, grab a coffee, and let's get started. First up, let's talk about the big picture categories. Think of categories as the table of contents for your website. They're the broad, overarching topics that group your posts together. For example, if you run a food blog, your categories might be breakfast, lunch, dinner, and desserts. They provide a high-level structure, making it easy for a new visitor to understand what your site is all about and quickly find the general area they're interested in. Categories are hierarchical, which is a fancy way of saying you can have subcategories. So under your desserts category, you could have subcategories like cakes, cookies, and ice cream. This creates a logical, organized filing system for your content. It's all about creating a clear path for your users. When they land on your site, they shouldn't have to guess where to go. A well-defined category structure guides them effortlessly from one post to another, keeping them engaged and on your site longer. Now, let's zoom in on the finer details. Tags. If categories are the table of contents, think of tags as the index at the back of the book. They are specific keywords that describe the intricate details within your posts. Unlike categories, tags are not hierarchical. They're meant to connect pieces of content that share a common specific theme, even if they live in different categories. Going back to our food blog example, a post in the desserts category about a chocolate lava cake could be tagged with things like chocolate, baking, gluten-free, and Valentine's Day. Another post, maybe a savory chocolate chili from the dinner category, could also share that chocolate tag. See how that works? A user interested specifically in chocolate recipes can now click that tag and find both the cake and the chili, even though they're in completely different sections of your site. Tags create these wonderful, nuanced pathways through your content. So, the golden question is, categories versus tags. What's the real difference, and why use both? The key is that they serve two distinct but complementary purposes. Categories organize, associate. Categories create a rigid top-down structure, while tags create a flexible, bottom-up web of connections. Using both is what truly enhances user navigation. A visitor can start broad with a category and then drill down into specifics using tags. Or they might find a post via a search engine, love the specific topic, and then use a tag to find more content just like it. This dynamic duo creates a powerful user experience. It tells your visitors, hey, we've thought about how you'll use this site, and we've made it easy for you. A happy user is a user who sticks around, and that's exactly what we want. Now, let's talk about something every website owner cares about: SEO, or search engine optimization. Strategic use of categories and tags can have a significant impact on how search engines like Google understand and rank your site. When you create a category, WordPress automatically generates a category archive page. This page gathers all the posts in that category and becomes a content-rich hub for that specific topic. These archive pages are highly indexable and can rank for broader keywords. For example, if your breakfast recipes category page could start ranking for the term breakfast recipes, the same applies to tag archive pages. They group content around very specific micro-topics, allowing you to target long-tail keywords. Someone searching for gluten-free chocolate dessert might land on your archive page for the gluten-free tag. By creating these topically relevant pages, you're essentially building more doorways for search engines to send traffic your way. It signals to Google that you are an authority on these subjects. So how do we put this all into practice? Let's cover some best practices. First, every post should have one, and maybe at most 2 categories. If you find yourself wanting to put a post in 4 or 5 categories, take a step back. It might be a sign that your category structure isn't defined well enough, or perhaps that content should be broken into multiple posts. The goal is clarity, not confusion. For tags, be more generous, but still strategic. Aim for anywhere between 3 to 10 highly relevant tags per post. Avoid creating a new tag for every single post. Think about whether a tag is likely to be used again. If you have a tag that only applies to one post on your entire site, it's not really serving its purpose of connecting content. Your goal is to build a useful index, not a chaotic tag cloud with hundreds of single-use tags. Balance is key. Keep your categories broad and limited, and your tags specific and targeted. A great tip is to do a content audit. Look at your existing posts. Are they categorized logically? Are the tags relevant? You might find you have tags like cake and cakes. Merge them. Keep your taxonomies clean and consistent. It's a little bit of housekeeping that pays off big time in the long run for both user experience and your sanity. But what if your site has needs that go beyond the standard categories and tags? Let's say you're running a movie review site. You have categories like action, comedy, and drama, and you use tags for themes like space travel or coming of da-da-da-da-da. But you also want to let users filter by actor, director, or studio. This is where custom taxonomies come in. Custom taxonomies are your secret weapon for hyper-specific content organization. They allow you to create entirely new ways of grouping content, just like categories and tags, but tailored to your unique needs. So, on our movie review site, you could create a custom taxonomy called actor, another called director, and another called year. Now, when you write a review, you can assign it to the action category, tag it with heist movie, and also link it to Christopher Nolan under your director taxonomy, and Leonardo DiCaprio under your actor taxonomy. This creates incredibly powerful filtering capabilities for your users. They could find all movies directed by Christopher Nolan or see every film from 2010 in your database. Custom taxonomies transform your WordPress site from a simple blog into a sophisticated, filterable database of content. While it's a more advanced feature and often requires a plugin or a bit of code, it's worth knowing about for when your site's complexity grows. It's the ultimate tool for specialized organization. So, to wrap it all up, categories provide the essential structure, the main chapters of your website. Tags offer the specific cross-referencing keywords that connect your content in a flexible web. Using both together creates a fantastic user experience and strengthens your SEO by building topic-rich archive pages. Remember the best practices. Keep categories broad, tag specific, and maintain consistency. And if your needs become more complex, don't forget the power of custom taxonomies. Mastering this isn't just a technical exercise. It's about respecting your audience's time and making your valuable content as discoverable as possible. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this guide helps you get your WordPress site perfectly organized. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I'll see you in the next one.